How to remove background in any photo using CapCut. First, open CapCut. And once you're in CapCut, what you have to do is just press the expand button right over here. As you can see, the expand, just press on it. And you will be able to see the option of remove background. Just press on remove background. And here, just simply select the picture that you want to remove the background of. So I'm just going to use this picture right over here. And then press edit. Now it's gonna do the removing background process, so it might take a while, so you just gotta wait. So here, as you can see, it highlighted the person in the picture and it will remove the other stuff that's in the background. So you can even check the background. So here, as you can see, the background is clearly removed. Just press on export, and here, as you can see, it's ready to share, and then press done. So now let's check out our background just to check it. So we just gotta go in our photo gallery and then to our CapCut, and we'll be able to see the picture right over here. And here, as you can see, we got the picture of no background. So yeah, this is how to remove background in any photo using CapCut. That's it. Goodbye.